When our customers are happy, we're happy. And when they write to tell us why they're so excited, we get excited to share it. They were so impressed about the great customer service they've received that they went online and left this review. This review is a powerful testament to our policies and procedures that ensure every customer gets a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly appreciate our valued customers by paying attention to their needs and putting them first each and every time. We think this feedback proves that. We want you to experience the best customer service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. So just call us at the number on your screen or visit us online. We look forward to working with you. Thanks for watching.